Hello everyone, welcome to John Mac Classroom. In this video, we are going to discuss the example for function and graph. Kindly refers to the question, let the function f bracket ax is equals to a to the power 3 x squared plus a to the power 2 multiplied with the x and plus 3x, where the a is non-zero. A. Find the value of a if f with the bracket 0 is equals to 6. Next, determine the fx. C. Determine the domain and range for the fx. Hence, state the interval in which f is one-to-one function. So kindly refers to the function of bracket ax, where we have the quadratic situation. A. Find the value of a. So kindly substitute the 0 into the situation. So here we have fx a to the power 3 x squared plus a squared x plus with 3a. Given the situation f0, so meaning that let's say the x is 0, which is equals to 6. So focus on the right hand side, we have the 6, and the left hand side we have f0. So meaning that we have to substitute the x with the 0. So in this case, a to the power 3 multiplied with the 0 plus a squared multiplied with the 0 plus 3a is equals to 6. So 3a is equals to 6 and a is equals to 2. So here we have the situation. So finally, we have the f ax. So in here, the a is equals to 2. So we have 2x is equals to 8x squared plus we have 4x plus with the 6. So that is the situation. Kindly focus on B. Find or determine the function of fx, where we have to make sure this one become x. So let's say we substitute the value of x with x over 2, so that we have fx. So same goes to the right hand side. 8 multiplied with x over 2 squared plus with 4 bracket x over 2 plus with the 6. So equals to 8 bracket x squared over 4 plus with 4 multiplied with x over 2 plus with the 6. So kindly simplify the situation and we will have 2x squared plus with 2x plus with the 6. So that is the situation for B. So kindly focus on the C. Determine the domain and range for the function fx. Hence, state the interval in which f is one-to-one function. So my suggestion is to make sure the quadratic equation is in the standard form. So let's completing the square for the function of fx. So fx is equals to 2 bracket, we have x squared plus with the x plus with the 3. Let's start the completing the square. So here we have 2 bracket x squared plus with the x plus bracket square minus bracket square plus with the 3 bracket. So in this part, focus on the x. We have 1. So in here we have 1 over 2. Same goes to this part, 1 over 2. Next, simplify the situation for this part. So 2 bracket, we have x plus 1 over 2 bracket square minus 1 over 4 plus with the 3. So kindly equate the denominator and we will have 12 over 4. Simplify. So we will have 2 bracket x plus 1 over 2 bracket square minus 1 over 4 plus with the 12 over 4. So here we will have positive 11 over 4 multiply with the 2 and we will have plus 11 over 2. So that is the standard form for the function of fx. So based on the standard form, we will obtain the minimum point because the 2 for the value a, which is greater than 0. So we will have the minimum point. So the minimum point would be negative 1 over 2, 11 over 2. So based on the situation, we can say that determine the domain and range for the fx. So for this case, since it is a quadratic equation, so the domain for the function fx will be equals to or real number. And the range, we have to base on the minimum point. So here we will have bracket, square bracket, 11 over 2 until positive infinity. So that is the situation for domain and range for the function fx. Hence, state the interval in which the f is one-to-one function. So based on this part, we have a symmetrical axis. So the domain for one-to-one function would be domain for f, which is equals to, start from negative 1 over 2 until positive infinity. Or we can say domain for the situation negative infinity until negative 1 over 2. Meaning that either one will be the answer. So here we are, and thanks for watching.